This is going to blow your mind. So you've just booked your dream cruise. Congratulations. You're probably feeling a mixture of excitement and, oh my gosh, what have I gotten myself into? Don't worry, we've all been there. But before you start stocking up on Dramamine and regret, I'm here to tell you, help is on the way. Over the next few minutes, we're going to walk you through 15 crucial steps to take right after you book that cruise. By the time you finish this video, you'll be so prepared. You'll be giving the cruise director advice. So grab your favorite beverage, get comfortable, and let's get you shipshape for your upcoming adventure. Expect luxurious accommodations, world-class dining, and endless entertainment options. From relaxing by the pool to exploring exotic destinations, your cruise promises an unforgettable experience. Whether you're traveling solo, with a partner, or as a family, there's something for everyone. So, let's dive in and make sure you're ready to make the most of it. Welcome back to my channel, and thanks for watching. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Read the fine print. Yes, seriously, it's boring, but crucial. That booking confirmation email, your new best friend. Check your name, dates, and cabin, and ensure ship and sail date is accurate. Triple check everything to avoid hiccups. Ensure the name on your booking matches your ID. Pay special attention to cancellation policies, payment deadlines, and any additional fees. Note important dates and set reminders for payments and deadlines. Look out for any clauses about changes to your itinerary or cabin. Make a checklist of key points to ensure you don't miss anything important. Let's talk about the fun part, your itinerary. This is where your inner Indiana Jones shines. Open your web browser for a virtual adventure. First stop, your ports of call. These are the destinations where your ship will drop anchor. Look into each port's history, culture, and activities. Are you a history buff, a foodie, or a beach lover? Knowing what to expect maximizes your shore time. Impress fellow passengers with your knowledge. Start by reading travel guides and blogs about each port. Watch travel vlogs for first-hand experiences and tips. Plan and book excursions in advance to secure your spot. Make a checklist of must-see attractions and activities. Consider guided tours for a deeper understanding of the locale. Alright, you've researched your ports of call. You've got a mental image of yourself riding a camel in the desert or sipping wine in a Tuscan vineyard. Now it's time to turn those dreams into reality. This is where excursions come in. Excursions are organized activities offered by the cruise line or independent tour operators. Want to snorkel with stingrays, climb a waterfall, hike through a rainforest? There's an excursion for that. But here's the catch. Popular excursions tend to sell out fast, especially during peak season. So, as soon as you've got your itinerary nailed down, book those babies. Prioritize the activities that are most important to you and book those first. Make sure to schedule your excursions to avoid any conflicts with other plans. Check the availability and book online to secure your spot. This way, you can relax knowing your adventures are all set. Let's talk travel documents and time management. Your passport needs to be valid for 6 months after your return date. Check it early. You might need a visa for some countries. Verify visa requirements for each port. Keep digital copies of your documents. Plan your travel to the port carefully. Check traffic and transportation schedules. Arrive at the port early to avoid any last-minute issues. Who wants to waste vacation time standing in line to complete the check-in process? Not this guy. Online check-in is a game changer. Most cruise lines offer it, and it only takes a few minutes. You'll need your booking info and some personal details. Get your boarding pass and luggage tags electronically. It will speed up your check-in at the port. Some cruise lines also offer fast passes and early boarding options. Waltz onto the ship, grab a cocktail, and start your vacation sooner. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to enter the 21st century. Every cruise line has its own app. This app is your cruise control center. Your itinerary, activities, and dinner menu are all there. Book dining or shows with ease. Check the weather, find your way around the ship, or order room service. Explore excursion options, book spa services, and more. Stay connected with onboard chat, view the daily schedule, and set reminders for events. One of the best things about cruising is the food. The buffet is a never-ending smorgasbord of deliciousness, but sometimes you want to class it up. Specialty dining offers unique ambiance and top-notch cuisine. Make reservations early, as these spots fill up fast. Check the daily schedule for themed nights and special events. Don't miss out on trying different cuisines from around the world. Alright, let's talk about how to fill your days at sea. There's never a dull moment on a cruise ship. Poolside games, trivia contests, dance classes, cooking demonstrations, art auctions, and live music. And then there are the shows. Broadway-style musicals, acrobatic performances, stand-up comedy, and magic shows. You can also catch movie screenings, karaoke nights, and themed parties. Most activities are included in the price, but book popular ones in advance. You've booked your excursions, made your dinner reservations, and you're basically a cruise expert. But getting to the port on time is crucial. There's nothing worse than missing your ship. Plan your route and allow extra time for delays. If flying, arrive the day before. This gives you a buffer for any delays. Set reminders on your phone and keep track of time. Double check your cruise itinerary and use a countdown timer. Ask for directions if you're unsure about the port location. Arrive early and relax, knowing you're on time. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Hey, you're killing me with this responsible stuff. I'm on vacation, but trust me, this next one is important. We're talking about travel insurance. Think of travel insurance as a safety net, a just-in-case measure that protects you from the unexpected. Because, let's face it, life happens. People get sick, flights get cancelled, luggage gets lost, and sometimes those act of God situations pop up. Travel insurance can help cover the costs of medical emergencies, trip cancellations, lost baggage, and a whole host of other travel mishaps. It gives you peace of mind, knowing that you're protected if things go sideways. So, don't skip this step, it's worth it. You can book travel insurance with the cruise line, or click the link in the description box below for more options. Also, make sure to have a list of emergency contacts. This includes family members, your travel agent, and the cruise line's emergency number. Save these numbers in your phone and keep a written copy with you. It's a small step that can make a big difference in a crisis. Being prepared for surprises ensures that your vacation remains as stress-free as possible. Remember, travel insurance should be added either at the time of booking or prior to the final payment date. Check with your cruise line or travel advisor for guidelines. Alright, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, rules. Specifically, health and safety protocols on cruise ships. Now I know what you're thinking. You're killing the mood. We're here to have fun, not dissect the health code. But trust me, this is important stuff. Cruise lines take health and safety seriously. They've implemented new protocols to keep passengers safe. Enhanced cleaning, vaccination and pre-cruise testing. Maybe even new air filtration systems. These rules keep you safe, so you can enjoy your vacation. The fun police might sound like a buzzkill, but their role is crucial. They ensure everyone follows the guidelines, which helps prevent outbreaks and keeps the cruise running smoothly. So, next time you see a staff member reminding you of the rules, remember, they're just making sure everyone has a safe and enjoyable trip. Let's tap into the ultimate resource for cruising online forums and communities. These are the online watering holes where seasoned cruisers share their wisdom, tips, and sometimes complaints. Think of it as a giant online cocktail party discussing the best cabins, dining and excursions. You can find forums for every cruise line, ship and destination imaginable. Join a few, introduce yourself and ask questions. These communities are a treasure trove of information. Experienced cruisers often share invaluable tips like the best times to book excursions or how to snag a cabin upgrade. Engage actively, respond to others, and you'll quickly become part of the cruise community. You might even make some friends to cruise with in the future. Let's talk about packing. Stuffing your life into a suitcase isn't fun, but a little organization helps. Make a list, write it down. Essentials first: passport, tickets, wallet, phone, charger. Don't forget lucky socks. Pack for all weather. Bring comfortable shoes and a swimsuit. Gather items days before the trip. Don't forget toiletries, toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner, electronics, travel adapter, power bank, headphones, medications, any prescriptions, pain relievers, first aid kit, snacks for the journey. Alright, this next tip is short and sweet, but trust me, it's important. Before you set sail for adventure, do yourself a favor and give your bank a heads up. Let them know you'll be traveling internationally and tell them the dates and destinations of your cruise. This way, they won't freak out and shut down your card when they see charges from some random island in the middle of the ocean. Nobody wants to be stuck at a souvenir shop, arms full of shot glasses and magnets, only to have their card declined. So, save yourself the hassle and the potential embarrassment and give your bank a quick call. Also, consider setting a budget for your trip. Use a budgeting app to track your expenses and avoid overspending. Look out for any extra charges, like foreign transaction fees, and try to use a card that doesn't have them. This will save you money and keep your finances in check. Alright, let's talk about staying connected while you're at sea. Because let's face it, even on vacation, you can't completely escape the real world. Maybe you need to check in with work. Maybe you want to share your amazing vacation photos with your jealous friends. Or maybe your mother-in-law just really likes to know what you're up to. Whatever the reason, it's good to have a communication plan. Most cruise ships offer Wi-Fi packages, so you can stay connected without breaking the bank. You can usually purchase these packages in advance or once you're on board. Just be aware that the internet speed on cruise ships can be a bit, shall we say, leisurely. Managing family dynamics on a cruise can be tricky. Make sure to carve out some personal time for yourself. Plan group activities that everyone can enjoy together. And don't be afraid to set some boundaries to ensure everyone has a great time. Hopefully, I just showed you how to get the best cruise of your life. 15 crucial steps to transform you from a cruise newbie into a seasoned pro. From deciphering the fine print to booking must-do excursions and mastering online check-in and packing like a pro. Preparation goes a long way. Set yourself up for a smooth, unforgettable cruise. Conquer the high seas, but don't forget your sunscreen. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your favorite pre-cruise rituals? Any tips for first-time cruisers? Share your wisdom in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cruise tips. Until next time, happy sailing. Get ready for an adventure filled with breathtaking views, exciting activities, and unforgettable memories. Remember to double-check your packing list, confirm your reservations, and keep your travel documents handy. Bon voyage!